As India remains in lockdown over the novel coronavirus outbreak, every individual in this country is suffering with one or the other issues. Closed markets, empty roads has somewhere made up people's minds to stay at home and maintain every rule to contain the spread of this virus. But the daily wage workers and the laborers are the worst hit due to this continuous chains of lockdowns. Due to this lockdown situation, trains, buses and all means of public transportation have been suspended.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? कानपुर।
खाना पीना नहीं मिला ना मजदूरी कोई पैसा टका है नहीं
खाने को मिल नहीं रहा।
Every movement across borders have also been suspended. The biggest lockdown in the country has left them with nothing to fall back on. India has about 415 million workers in the unorganized sector, out of which 125 million workers are migrants. Laborers with no money, food and shelter have been observed moving to their native places on foot. With hunger, thirst and fatigue, they have been continuously walking and facing lots of difficulties. Shutting down of factories have left them with unemployment and have left them with no option but to leave. Workers which used to earn 100 to 300 rupees a day are the workers who led a life of hand-to-mouth existence. Without that, these laborers have lost hopes from the government and have started heading back by whichever transportation means they come through. Several of them across India fear that hunger would kill them before the virus would. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the 20 lakh crore COVID relief package for the betterment of the India's economy, this package had been announced to make India self-reliant. It would surely cater the various laborers and migrants across the country. There is a hope for a better support for the unorganized sector of the India. Help is pouring in for the needy across India by NGOs, civilians and also police officers from different states. As COVID-19 cases cross 70,000 mark in India, lockdown remains the best preventive measure to stop it from spreading further. India looks forward to a better future after the devastating situation due to coronavirus comes to an end. This is all for today. Keep watching EON TV.